Hi everyone, we've got some Tesla footage, and this for me was a good bit of driving from our camera. What's going on? He's entering a roundabout, and as he goes onto the roundabout he sees the traffic queuing to the left. But this is his exit that he wishes to take. What's he going to do? There's a little bit of space, perfect. And this is exactly what he should do. He should try and clear the roundabout. That's perfect. But when you do this, always be wary that you're going to be triggering people in that queue. And just out of interest, if you look at lane 1 up near that red Audi, I think it is, the left lane's clear. So I don't know why all this traffic is barreling over to lane 2. In any case, they're soon going to be triggered by our camera doing the correct thing. But if everyone had used all the space just like our camera did, there probably wouldn't be a queue out onto the roundabout. So if you find yourself in this situation, do exactly what my camera did. He tried to have a little creep to let the other vehicles know that he'd like to merge, but even when they shut his space down, no problems, you will find your gap. And this part of the footage gives us a nice view to see what lane 1 was like. What's the point of all trying to pile in one side? That left lane isn't closed yet. The good thing about Tesla footage is we get to have a look from all sides, and as you can see behind our camera, there's other people who are doing the same to try and stop the blockage on the roundabout, to try and help that keep flowing. So it seems absolutely ludicrous, like I've already mentioned, why this lorry and the private hire decided to block our camera from merging, especially when the lane to the left of them was clear. Anyway, don't let this rile you. You're usually going to find someone who is going to appreciate what we should do and let you out. Thought the Mini wasn't going to do that for a second. To all the people who wish to wait in the longer queue, please don't interrupt the flow of the people who know how to drive properly and use all the road space. Keep safe everyone, I'll see you soon.